This garage-like building may not look much like a brewery, but this is where David Harvin makes his home brew every week. Some of his equipment is made from scrap metal and was home constructed.
The kettle was from a yard in Globe, Miami. There was across from the smelter. They were sitting there on the side of the road. The other tank, this one came from a junkyard up by the Circle K.
Harvin brews his beer by ancient methods with modern technology.
Okay, well, we start the process with
In his demonstration for us, he mixes malted barley grains with water in a mash tun. The mix is transferred to a boiler where he adds hops. The beer then goes into a fermenting tank with yeast and finally into an aging tank.
When I brew the beer, it takes about 12 hours. It's a 12-hour day of work, but then by the time it ages, it takes 28 days, really, for the cycle, from mixing it up to when I can drink it.
Before Harvin puts the beer into kegs, he checks it, smells it, and tastes it. He says his beer will be different.
There's going to be varieties of beer, some light beers, some dark beers, and some in-between ones. There's nothing on the market that will compare.
Harvin hasn't sold any beer yet, but he says local bars are interested. He hopes to sell the first batch in a few days. What does he plan to call it?
The initial beer is called electric beer, because I used to be an electrician, and in Bisbee everybody has names. It's Electric Dave, and I'm making electric beer.
Harvin's short-term goal is to take over the keg business in southern Arizona. His ultimate dream? To see his business expand so he can give other large breweries some competition. Mary Kim Titla, TV4 Eyewitness News.
Wouldn't mind having him as a neighbor, huh?
Electric.